I'm about to make some pea soup. I'm using chicken foot, fresh beef bones, and here I have pigtail that I cut up. They're soaking in vinegar water. They have been soaking overnight. Then I have peas soaking for the last 2 hours or so. And I'm going to get started with my pea soup. So I get a pot onto the fire with fresh water, and I had that peas, which is half pint of peas with 2 pegs of garlic. Yes, so that's how we start out, and then I'm gonna get it going from there. I cut off all the chicken toenails, and then I'm gonna wash them. So here I am washing these chicken foot after I cut off the nails. And I want to wash in the beef along with them. Yes, I can wash them with lime or vinegar, just that they don't smell raw. Now I have this half a lime not using. So I'm using it, so that's good. Right, so let them drop out and put them back in. Alright. So that's chicken foot and beef being washed. Got my piece. Now I wash them and I have the pigtail. I'm adding it right into it because it's been soaking all night, and I change all that water over and over, so it should have no salt in it. They soak until their color almost change. I'm adding some all-purpose season. This is Maggi all-purpose. It's just my custom to season meat because this is for soup, but still sprinkling some season over it. And then I'm going to put them in the pot with the boiling peas. Let me show you. That's the peas boiling one-sided. So I'm going to center the pot. And then I'm going to sink them when I put all these cold meats and water in. Okay, I'm going ahead and add all this meat. So I'm putting in all this meat right now. Okay. And now I'm adding more water to cover them. If you notice, I didn't add any salt because the pigtail sometimes still have a little salt left. So I'm not adding salt, as I'm going to use a noodle that might just have enough salt. Yes, so I add some water to my pot because I'm ready to put in the foods. I start with the dumplings, and there you see the yams, cocoa, everything peel, getting ready to go in the pot. Now the dumplings reaching, guys, so I'm stirring up my soup because it's coming on fine, right? You can see that. And it smells good too, and it's not even seasoned up yet. But okay, so the sweet potatoes going in at this point. And some yellow yam. Yes. Cocoa and yellow yam going in. They look so thick, but I don't really could cut them that thick. I think the camera is so close. Anyway, remember to subscribe if you are watching from YouTube, or to follow my page if you are watching it this on my Facebook page. So, mom and her girls cooking, school reopened, and the girls are not present in everything. Anyway, I was washing some scallion, pepper, thyme, and pimento seeds, so I put them in the pot. Yes, those are pimento seeds, or pimento berries. And now the Maggi noodle going in. Yes, Jamaican soup always take a grace cock soup or a Maggi noodle. So for this one is a Maggi noodle. And I'm stirring them in. Alright, and then I'm going to leave the soup. We just finished from there. So remember to follow or subscribe to the channel. Yes, so my soup look ready, and now Onika dinner go serve you after 2 hours because me have to wait for the beef, the chicken foot, the pigtail for cook, and then put in the food, let them cook again. But dinner is served, so that's your dinner over there. So Onika, see it?
It looks yummy.
My dinner, and Daddy going in the farm.
Thanks for making me dinner, Mommy.
I'm literally almost done with it.
Some present for dinner is Onika. There she is. Dinner is served, and I tell you it's delicious. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all.